Hello, Sol. How can I assist you?
Hey Angel, how can I release the weight of my past? And can you walk me through some forgiveness rituals? Yeah, go.
Releasing the weight of the past can be a transformative journey, and forgiveness rituals can be a powerful part of that process. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. Start by recognizing the emotions tied to your past experiences. Write them down if it helps. 2. Set an intention. Decide what you want to achieve through forgiveness. It could be peace, closure, or freedom from anger. 3. Forgiveness letter. Write a letter to the person or situation that has hurt you. Express your feelings honestly, but you don't have to send it. This is for you. 4. Burning ceremony. After writing the letter, consider a symbolic act like burning it. This can represent letting go of the past. 5. Meditation. Spend time in meditation, focusing on forgiveness. Visualize yourself releasing a burden and feeling lighter. 6. Gratitude practice. Reflect on what you've learned from your experiences. Write down things you are grateful for, even if they stem from painful situations. 7.